I go live on TikTok every day, and a lot of things have been happening lately that I said, let me share. So, what has been reoccurring is when I go live, I see a lot of developers, both junior and senior, join the live. Some are amazed at what I'm able to do, and others are just genuine haters. And I actually prefer when haters join my live because I usually learn from the haters because they're usually criticizing us to a significant level, and I usually learn from criticism. For example, when one joined and just made the comments that your code is too long, modularize it. I was like, what does modularization mean? And that's what now made me do research to learn about the concept of modularization, and I thought to share today. So modularization means that your code is basically split into different functions and it is not long. In very simple terms, your code is not too long, maximum of at least 300 lines. So if you're vibe coding, you will observe that if you click on a function, you see that most of the time your AI is writing 600, 700, 800 lines of code. When I got cognizance of the concept of modularization, anytime I meet a function that my AI has written in the past and I see that is about 800 lines long, and I ask the AI to modularize the code, it transforms it from 800 lines to about 150 lines, which made me realize that, okay, for the times I've been building, I did not know about this concept of modularization. Not that I've been coding bad, but I could have been coding better. So moving forward now, I've written a rule to all my coding agents that whatever code they write, it should be modularized. In another live, another concept I learned about was unit testing. Unit testing basically is having the AI to test the code while it's building. And this also is kind of linked to modularization because if the code is not modular, testing becomes difficult because it is easier to test a function that does not affect other functions. For example, let's say you're just testing authentication now. You should not now be calling database, doing an API call, thereabouts, and doing several things except what has been defined in that simple function. So I hope I'm speaking English that a lot of you can understand, Sha, because it seems like I'm already sounding very technical. But basically, I learned about modularization and my coding experience has become better. So if you're an AI vibe coder, make sure to prompt your AI that when it's printing your code, you should ensure it is modularized. Thank you.